Welcome children in bio class. Now I am going to explain you about autosomes and sex chromosomes. Children, you have studied in nucleus of eukaryotic cell. The hereditary material is found in the form of nucleoprotein fiber. These nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin. It is formed of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and basic proteins histones. During cell division, the chromatin condenses into well-defined chromosomes. There are two types of chromosomes: autosomes and sex chromosomes, and these chromosomes appear in the cell, in the nucleus of the cell at the time of cell division only. So I told there are two types of chromosomes: autosomes and sex chromosomes. The chromosomes carry genes of body characters and general physiology such as metabolism, growth, cell division, development, and cell differentiation are called autosomes. So autosomes carry genes which control body characters and general physiology. An autosome is a chromosomes in a eukaryotic cell that is not a sex chromosomes. So humans have 22 pairs of autosomes. The autosomes are represented by capital A and capital A. Children, next is sex chromosomes. The chromosomes that determine the sex of individual are called sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes carry genes for determining the sex. In majority of animals, one pair of sex chromosomes are associated with sex determination. German biologist Henking discovered sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes are represented by X and Y or Z and W chromosomes. In humans, other mammals, and Drosophila, the female is represented by XX. The male is represented by XY. In birds and fish and reptiles, the male is represented by ZZ and female is represented by ZW. So children, here you have to know some organisms are homogametic and some are heterogametic. In the humans, the female is homogametic because their sex chromosomes represented by XX. So female produce female gamete X or ovum. All are alike, but male sex chromosomes represented by XY. Therefore, the male is heterogametic. Male produces male gamete sperm two types. 50% male gametes are with X chromosomes and 50% male gametes are with Y chromosomes. Like this in birds, fish and reptiles, the male is represented by ZZ. Therefore, in these, males are homogametic Males are producing only one type of gametes, but female is heterogametic because the sex chromosomes of female represented by ZW. Therefore, female are producing 50% egg with Z chromosomes and 50% egg with W chromosomes. So children, you understood chromosomes are two types, autosomes and sex chromosomes. Autosomes carry the genes which determine body character and general physiology, but sex chromosomes carry the genes which determine the sex of individuals.